essentially,
Looks fantastic.
my family makes something like this at least every couple of weeks.
Okay.
And throughout the year, it always changes. So in the winter, maybe there's some squash, maybe there's some mushrooms. In the spring, there's peas, there's broad beans. It changes colour, it changes flavour. But the reason I love this is because this, as a recipe, is not just delicious, it's not just cheap, it's not just nutritious and really healthy, but it helps you as a cook in a family to clean out the fridge and use stuff up. What does that mean? It means when you go to your fridge like this and you're looking in and you're like trying to get bits and pieces out, you need recipes that are really going to help you. I mean, you could literally...
That sounds perfect.
All kinds of veggies. So I've made this already because it needs time. And to serve this, you know, I always love
smells
it.
fantastic.
I love it with a little fresh pesto.
I can't
And
get
again, guys, the tie is coming off.
I've got to get it done.
The tie is coming off.
Jamie,
So,
I'm here to make proof the fact that anybody can cook. So
this is
let
what
me
we
at least
like.
try to get ready.
So I'm going to just serve up a couple of this. Now the reason we're going to do some proper cooking in a second, but you know, I think part of the love of food, I mean this is comfort food to me. In our house we call it cup of garden soup because we literally use whatever's in the fridge, whatever's in the garden. We grow quite a lot of stuff. But I think also in modern day shopping, you know, we do promote a lot fresh food, which is right and wonderful, and we love fresh food. But of course, the credentials of the freezer, you can't deny that. You know, if you got a handful of peas from a supermarket and a handful of peas from a freezer, there's going to be more nutrition, most probably in that. Yep. 90% of the time. So, so I think.